Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to leverage brand-tailored promotions on Amazon. Let's get into it. Brand-tailored promotions on Amazon allow sellers to re-engage customers with targeted offers based on their previous behavior. You can access this feature by going to the Advertising tab in Seller Central and selecting Brand-Tailored Promotions. Once you click Create Campaign, Amazon will show you the eligible audience segments you can target, but only if you have at least 1,000 shoppers in that category. If the number is lower, the segment remains locked. Examples of audience types include customers who followed your brand, those who abandoned a cart in the last 90 days, or those who purchased your product once but haven't returned. Each audience is treated as a unique bucket, and Amazon tries to prevent overlap between them. However, overlap can still happen, especially when combining promotions with coupons. This is where sellers must be very careful. Brand-tailored coupons, which are set up under the Coupons section in the Advertising tab, also allow targeting based on audience types. When selecting brand as the audience, options become available for the same buckets but with slightly different durations, like cart abandoners in the last 7 days or 90 days. The issue arises when a customer falls into multiple buckets and qualifies for multiple active campaigns. For instance, if you run a promotion for 90-day cart abandoners and simultaneously offer a coupon for 7-day abandoners, someone who left a product in their cart a week ago could receive both discounts, leading to a combined discount that is much higher than intended. To avoid this, follow 2 key rules. First, never create both a brand-tailored promotion and a brand-tailored coupon for the same audience group at the same time. Second, when scheduling multiple promotions or coupons, make sure their criteria do not overlap. A 7-day window is already included within a 90-day one, so customers can end up being eligible for both. It is better to run one campaign at a time, allow it to finish, and then test the next variation. When setting up promotions, keep in mind that not all audience segments will be available unless you meet Amazon's minimum threshold of 1,000 customers in that group. Once available, you can test different offers and see which ones perform best. Many sellers see great success with cart abandoners and brand followers, as these audiences already have high intent. In summary, brand-tailored promotions and coupons are powerful tools to increase conversions, but they need to be managed carefully to avoid excessive discounts due to overlapping segments. Strategic planning and regular testing will ensure that these campaigns remain profitable. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.